Now let's set up the app on our phone.
First you're going to install the ieGeek Cam app and follow through these steps. Swipe through these pages and press start. Then you're going to click on setup and add your email address. Then go to your email and confirm, then come back and add device on the app.
If you already have the app installed with extra cameras, press the plus icon and add device. Here I'm going to pick the smart doorbell, and this is the same process if you wanted to add any extra cameras.
Please follow the instruction manual to power on the device. Press the bell button, and tap Next. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for. Please remove all film from the lens. Tap.
Now place a QR code on your phone in front of the camera.
Connecting. Please wait a moment.
Now you can see the camera has been added to the app, which you can press next and then select the location or choose a name for the doorbell.
Put cam.
Here you'll see your Wi-Fi strength and where the doorbell is mounted. For me, I've already got 3 cameras installed, plus the doorbell. Let's now check out the footage saved to the SD card. Then we'll go through some features and the settings. If I tap the lines in the top right corner and go quad screen, this way I can view all my cameras at the same time, which I can also select which camera I want to hear out of, and with my other cameras I can rotate them, which obviously the doorbell will be in a fixed position. It has a nice wide angled view, as you can see, and you can choose the picture quality. I can hear myself. Which each camera also shows the date and time in the top left corner, and you also have icons you can use at the bottom of the screen.